This is my 2014 159 wheelbase high roof Ram ProMaster 6-cylinder gas that I'll be placing up for sale. It's got 134,000 miles. It runs good. I put it in the LED lights. There is a bit of a ding on the top of the roof there. It doesn't leak or anything. It's just cosmetic. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. I did put a side step on the driver's side and the passenger side. Has a 12 volt inlet. You can hook up an extension cord and then get power to the inside. There is a tow hitch in the back. As you can see, there's also a Chinese diesel heater. Keeps everything nice and warm. 2 SOK batteries. All the components are Victron, the shunt, the charger, and then also the solar charge controller is also Victron. And just a storage area back here. I normally put an e-bike back here. Otherwise, it's used for just storage, firewood, and stuff like that for moving around. There is a twin-size bed back here. And also, there's 2 max air vents, front and rear. And that's about all in the back here. On the side, you have the side step there. It is inside. You can stand up to 6'2" measured. This bench right here is storage. It's hinged and you can store stuff underneath there, and then you have a little pillow back there for backrest and everything. As far as the kitchen goes, there is a 7-gallon water container with a hand pump. I decided to go with hand pump instead of electric because it was more reliable and it was quieter. You could hear the pump snap on in the middle of the night if you're boondocking somewhere and you don't want anyone to know it's in there. Storage up above. I usually just put canned goods and things like that over there. There is a stove which goes to a propane tank underneath. You could switch out to just without the propane and have more storage underneath there. There is no gray tanks. There are no black tanks. I don't usually shower or anything in here. Normally it's Planet Fitness or something like that. There's the other max air vent. The passenger side does swivel, but as of right now, I normally put a 32-inch TV on that mount right there, which takes away the swivel capability, but to be honest, I never used the swivel very much anyways. The feet, it's too up high, your feet don't touch the ground. I'd rather sit on the bench here, enjoy some coffee, look out at the ocean. 12 volt light up there. Does have an inverter which powers the microwave. It's a 2200 watt 4400 peak. It powers the microwave fine. I normally don't have any issues powering anything with that. If you can run a microwave, you can pretty much run anything. Some storage bins. Nothing too much more to see. Does have a dorm room type fridge. Honestly, I would take it out and put a 12 volt fridge in there, as this consumes more electricity than I would like it to. And that's about it. There's not much in the front to see. Everything's pretty much intact. Grab handle here to get in. And that's about it. Runs really good. I hate to see it go, but trying to get a little extra money by the end of the year. If not, then I may just keep it. All right. Thanks a lot.